I ended up buying Traffic Supernova, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what you're going to get. Now, if you haven't seen the 2 previous videos, let me refresh this. This one I did and actually added some exclusive bonuses in. I did this one before it launched. This one I did yesterday, going in and actually showing you the core bonuses that you're going to get, which if you click the link in the description, you can also see all of those right here. I walked through them, what they are, how you're going to access them by emailing info@jakethornhill.com after you purchase through this link right here. And in this video, I actually want to show you the product itself and what you can expect from it. I want to do this because I told you guys I would come back and do a 3rd video on it. I am super sick. I've got a really bad fever, so this might be a shorter video, but I promise you guys I'd come back and show what the product looks like. So I do want to take a few minutes and do that here this morning. So again, when you click the link in the description, I'll take you to this page. You can watch that first video here, which has the exclusive bonuses. You can only get those bonuses from this video. And you can go to the sales page right here. And then that's where Dave walks through everything you need to know about the about Traffic Supernova itself. So I want to show this page to show like I actually did buy it. I'm not just saying that. I was really excited about this launch. And I am really excited. I think it's going to be a really good product for us. So this is a old TikTok page. I'm just going to show you the output of the one I created for this yesterday, and it's really cool. So unfortunately, the reason I'm showing this page and not inside of the course is because go inside the course like gives everything away. So it's just ethically, I don't feel like I can do that. Unfortunately, because some courses you kind of can without showing off too much. This one, if I go in, it's going to show off a lot. But I want to show you guys that I did, in fact, purchase it. I'll refresh that just so you all see everything's legit. So what I was wrong about in the previous video is it's not for long form, it's for short form, which I should have figured because he was talking about YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. So, but it's going to be really powerful because you can create the AI video and then send it to all 3. Now, I think the real thing that you're going to have to make sure you have is a good offer. As long as you have a good offer, this thing is going to be really, really, really powerful for you, especially in comparison to what you pay. But you just need to find a good offer. So what we're using is called FloWave. This is a product we created. I'll pull it up on a separate screen. So this is a productivity tool that helps you enter flow state on demand or deep work. So this is what we are promoting with on our pages. So we have a TikTok, a Instagram, and a YouTube account, and the YouTube's just doing shorts. So this was an old TikTok account I had used for, what was I promoting back in the day? I think like a free lead magnet to something. So this was using Real Farm. But the video I created yesterday is this one right here. So let's watch this together.
Did you
Okay.
know an entrepreneur increased his productivity by 300% just by changing when he worked? Meet David Chen, founder of TechFlow Solutions, who was working 16-hour days fueled by endless coffee. At 3 in the morning during his biggest product launch, he crashed completely. Staring at his screen, unable to think clearly, he realized something had to change. That's when he discovered chronobiology research and started tracking his cortisol patterns. He mapped his energy levels every hour for 2 weeks and found something incredible. His brain was sharpest between 10 and noon, yet he was wasting those hours on emails. So he flipped everything. Deep work during his biological prime time, admin tasks during energy dips. Within 30 days, he was completing in 2 hours what used to take him 6. His startup sold for $12 million 18 months later. Today, David uses FloWave to maintain those optimized work windows. Because timing isn't just everything, it's the only thing that matters.
Right, so you see it's a good story, and it ties into FloWave. By the way, if you want to promote FloWave, you can literally go to the software, scroll down to the bottom, and my face is going to be in the way here, but there should be an option in the bottom right-hand corner way down there to be an affiliate, and it's a really good affiliate program. It's like 40% commissions plus a 2-tier. If you want to be a 2nd-tier affiliate, you can do that as well and tell other affiliates about it. So really, really powerful if that's the thing that you want to promote. But this is really cool. The first video got 130. I think it was probably around this, probably 150, 160 on Instagram and on YouTube as well. And one of the best things about this is it is scheduled to post one a day, but you can actually manually go in and have unlimited, like you can make as many of these videos as you want, which is a really cool hack they show you inside of Traffic Supernova. But it's incredibly powerful to just be able to pump these out. And again, for something like FloWave, like as long as it makes like 1 to 2 sales a month, which is super minimal, and if one ever goes viral, a lot more than that will be sold. So it really is just having a good offer or a good lead magnet to make sure it really works. So I'm a big fan of Traffic Supernova. I think it's going to be really, really good for our, for our business. I mean, we were trying to find a really good way to promote this without dumping a ton of money into ads, and this is going to be a really good way to do it. If you have any specific questions about it, drop it down in the comments. More than happy to answer that. I'm sorry this video is a little shorter. I am just pouring sweat over here. I hope you can't see it too much in the video. I need to go lay down. So hope this was helpful. I will see you again very soon in the next video.